Kamakhya Varade Devi Neelaparvatavasini Twadevi Jagatmata Yonimutre Namostute. With the blessings of Mother Kamakhya, I'm here today to speak to you about this very beautiful Kamakhya Sindoor. The uses of Kamakhya Sindoor in our life can enhance us in many ways. It protects us against all kind of psychic influences, negative energies, dark forces. It helps bring abundance, wealth to our life, and it is a valuable gift from the Mother Kamakhya herself. So you can place it in a silver dibbi like this at your altar, in your puja altars, or in your safe where you keep your money. It really helps protect you and your family and bring lots and lots of abundance, good harmonious relationships, bonding and abundance in your life. Thank you.